A joint invitation of the Pasang Lama Rural Municipality and key local lodge owners in the area brought us for a 8-day visit conducting awareness and COVID hygiene training in the Khumbu, land of the Sherpas. While there is wide awareness, details tend to be sketchy and practical actions to prevent the spread and to break the chain of infections are very limited. Training is the key and it's happening. Tourism and mountaineering have been the lifeblood of this self-contained community for over 40 years. The enthusiasm of this strong mountain community has been amazing. Remote and with main access by flight to famous Tenzing Hillary Airport at Lukla, Khumbu is on many travelers' wish list. Straightforward, effective measures to ensure personal safety of local communities, visitors and accommodation providers is key to enabling a safe, credible restart of Khumbu's tourism economy. Training was by demonstration of simple measures that are effective to prevent infection spread. Discussions with lodge owners and local government officials ensures ownership. Local youth clubs have already started replicating the training in more isolated communities along the route. There are regular health posts up to 4,400 meters run by local government and charities. This provides fast and effective medical support. Nepal is taking proaction and getting ready. Khumbu is prepared to welcome travelers once more.